welcome back to my channel. Yes, you guys, I got something new. I ordered myself a purse. Now, this was Friday, it was Thursday night where I saw it for the first time, and you guys know me, I'm a huge Disney fan. I absolutely love Disney, and anytime I can get a Disney purse, I will go ahead and do it. I have a couple Disney purses. I used to always get them at the Disney store near me, but they closed that down, so I have to drive, you know, a couple more hours to go to the closest Disney store. But I ended up ordering a purse. Now, funny thing is, they were supposed to come out on Saturday, like a week ago, and I'm like, oh, I'll probably miss it, you know. Well, then what happened is I was online, and they said that they changed their date, and they're releasing them online at a certain time on Friday, and I'm like, sweet. So they did like a video of what they were doing, because I kind of wanted to see like how it would sit on a person. Sorry, my children. And I'm like, oh, I love it. And they're like, it's gonna sell out fast, so be prepared. So I bought it like right away. Like, I kept refreshing the page, and I bought it. I got it. The purse that I got, I counted it sold out in 7 minutes. 7 minutes is when it sold out. This was like the third item that sold out, third or fourth item that sold out, I mean, in 7 minutes. So I got Harvey. I've never got a Harvey purse. Basically, Harvey purses are kind of like, they feel like seatbelts. So I was pretty excited, and I hear you get goodies in here. So I have no idea what we got besides the purse. So I'm ready to be surprised. I hope it was like a lanyard. They usually do some kind of like release nearby, like in California or something. But they couldn't because of the whole virus thing. So I'm really hoping I got a special gift. And I did not, unless it's in the purse. Nuts, I didn't get anything. But they do give you a sticker. This says Harveys, California, and it's got the Monsters sticker on here. So, oh, I really wanted a purse. Or I really wanted the lanyard, but you know what? That's okay. I'm not complaining because I really wanted this purse. So I got this purse for, I think, $138. But it's Sully, you guys! Sully. I love Sully. I just love monsters. That's one of my favorite Pixar movies, and I am so excited for this. Wait, there's something inside the purse? We will see what's in it. So basically, here is Sully. Oh, it's probably the straps. So here's Sully. You can zip it with his teeth right here to open it, or you can just leave it open if you want. It's just like a jacket, but you can just leave it open if you want, or do it like that. But there also is a zipper on the top, so I was excited for that. One thing I absolutely did like, or no, this was $168. One thing that I really did like was this Boo keychain, you guys. This is so cute. I love Boo. I think she is just adorable. And then it has this like little thing that says Monsters, Harveys. That's super cute. I think you can take that right off. But I just love this little Boo thing. And you can take this off too. Yeah. So here they got, you know, the Monsters Incorporated symbol. They got it right there. And then here are the straps. The inside looks like it's the Monsters Incorporated also. They have like a little key lock right here so you can hook up your key strap. I should do that more often. Some purses have it, and I'm like, why don't I ever use it? Because I'm always like digging in my purse. The zipper is so cute. It's Boo's door. That is awesome. And then inside, it's like pretty deep. I mean, it goes till Miss Charlotte says hello. It goes pretty deep. There is 2 pockets, just open pockets inside, and then there is a zipper, and it's just like a little pull chain, which I kind of like. And then we're gonna dig in the side purse. This is just a, what is this? Harveys. It's just like, I've never had a Harveys before. It's just more of their story. Wow. Okay, so there's just some cards that tell you about it, but there is another zipper pocket inside. So I like that. I really like it how it's got double protection, because I get super paranoid when I'm in the store. So this is the strap. I'm going to put it on right here. And this is actually a perfect size for me. I mean, I could make it a little bit longer, which I could, but other than that, I really like it. This is perfect for me. When I go to Disney, I can actually wear this whenever we go to Disney because I always like a purse, but it's super cute. I absolutely love it. Right now with everything, Benjamin wants to show you.
I got this sweating cup and then like some waters in it, and I put on salt and I drink it outside, and this is what I got.
Yeah. So
it has like a genie, and it has like the magic carpet, the tiger, and it has like a genie cup in here, and there's a castle.
Yeah. So this is perfect for you guys. Plus it's like kid friendly, so I can always have this, but I really like it. This is my first Harvey bag. I just love it. I love it. I love it. I love it. But like I was saying, like right now with everything going on, it's hard to go shopping. And I'm like, husband gets to go out and have adult contact. So I'm like, if you're going to be out and you are going to have adult contact, I want to buy myself something special because we could be inside the house for like a month and it's like, I just want something to be excited for. So I am so excited for this. I'm going to switch out my purses right now because I love it. If you guys enjoyed this video, please give this video a
thumbs up for a Latin cup in my purse.
Thumbs up. Thank you guys for watching and I'll see you guys another time.
Bye-bye.